The Plymouth South Beach. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at the Plymouth South Beach. Housed in a 4-story Art Morderne building, the Plymouth features an outdoor pool and sun deck in famed Miami Beach. Complimentary daytime transfer services are available to private Plymouth Beach. Guestrooms offer custom designs by Fernando Santangelo and furnishings from Restoration Hardware. Amenities include a flat-screen TV, work desk, and private bathrooms equipped with a shower and bathrobes. Everything, facilities, clean rooms, bar, pool area etc. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Staff was very accommodating and pleasant, food and bar very good and location excellent. Decent value. Would stay again. Very cute boutique-ish hotel. The hospitality from check-in to check-out was excellent. It's within walking distance of some shopping, restaurants and the beach. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.